Here's some help with tonight's homework, 4-6, practice A, estimating square roots. I'm going to do one of each type of problem here. Number 6 asks us to, well, it tells us each square root is between two integers. Name the integers and explain your answer. So we've got a square root of 52. We have to think about the perfect squares that are close to 52. The one that jumps into my mind right away is square root of 49. That equals 7 because 7 times 7 equals 49. The next highest would be the square root that would give us 8. So what does 8 squared equal to? 8 squared equals 8 times 8 or 64. So 52 is in between these two square roots. It's quite a bit closer to 7. So, but the two integers it's between are 7 and 8. Number 14 on 7 through 14 tells us to use a calculator to find each value, round to the nearest tenth. So number 14 is the square root of 75. When I do that on my calculator, I get 8.660254038. Since we're rounding to the nearest tenth, that 6 is in the tenths place. I need to look at the number to the next to it, to the right of it. If it's 5 or greater, which it is, then that 6 will round up to a 7. I'm rounding to the tenths place, so my number will end in the tenths place. So the square root of 75 we can estimate as 8.7. Now number 16 is a word problem. They give us this formula that police use for the stopping or skid marks when a car stops. They tell us that R, the speed of the car in miles per hour, equals 2 times the square root of 5 times the length of the skid marks. So for 16 it asks us how fast is a car going if it leaves skid marks of 245 feet. So L equals 245. So R equals 2 times the square root of 5 times 245. And 5 times 245 is 1,225. So 2 times the square root of 1225. If you use your calculator for this square root, you'll get 35. So the speed of the car in miles per hour would be 2 times 35 or 70 miles per hour. Okay, hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.